Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our stamp club reveal for June. And a lot of you already know that the month of June, I'm trying to do as many masculine projects as I can, which means this was one of them too. So if you don't know about our stamp club, there is a link in the description below so you can get all the information about it, and you should join. It's super fun and we're having a really good time with all of our new releases. So today's release, I love it. I have never done one like this. We kind of stepped out and I think it's super fun, so check this out. This one is called Road Trip, and look how cute this is. In this set, you get a truck with a couple of options. You get the little farm rail that you can stamp next to the truck, or you get the toe. I've never done anything quite this mechanical. I love the little toe mechanism that can stamp above, and I've got samples to show you, so I'll show you what they look like in just a second. And then the front-facing car. I love this guy. I think he is so cute. He's perfect for road trip and all the sentiments we have on here. And okay, here's the thing. We call this a gas tank where we're from, or a pump. So if you see tanks or pumps, that's kind of the words we're using. But we have this little, what would you call it? What do you guys call it? We call it a gas tank or a fuel pump, whatever. I don't really know, but there it is. I tell you what, I call it less often as most because I hate to go pump gas, but there it is. And then you have a little taxi sign that you can put on top of the front-facing car. And let me talk to you about the sentiments. They're so cute. This one says, "The journey begins." This one says, "Many tanks to you." I thought that was so cute because if you're going to give somebody like a gift card, a gas card or something like that, wouldn't it be cute as a thank you to say, "Many tanks to you, here's a card to get gas with"? I thought that'd be cute. In car years, you're a classic. I love that one because if you don't know, I'm a car buff and I love classic cars. How about "Let's Ride"? This one says, "You're totally amazing." Oh, I got a glare on it. "You're totally amazing." This one says, did I say road trip already? I think I did. How about "Hope this card picks you right up"? I think that one is so cute because of the pickup and the toe. And then "Hope your day is fueled with all the things you enjoy." And then "Need a lift." I thought this one was cute too for the tow truck and even for the car or the truck. So let me show you the samples. They are too cute. So before I show you, I want to say this to you. Last night we were doing our Stopper Topper sale, and 2 hours before the sale, me and Shannon and Amber came into my craft room and played, and we all made samples. So let me start by showing you my first sample because I don't want to pick one of theirs to be first, so I'll go first. So this is my first sample, and I love this. This is the tow truck, and what I did was I tore the paper away and hooked the little toe on it like it was pulling it forward. I thought it was so cute. And this one says, "You are totally amazing." And I love this guy, that little red tow truck. I would love to drive that guy. And then for my ATC lovers out there, look at what Amber did. She made this ATC that says "Many tanks to you," and look how she put this next to the car. Isn't that adorable how she did that? And I love how she cut the car off, like you only see part of it. Love it. Another thing she did, which I think is really cool, she stamped these on white and trimmed them out and did not color them. And I love how that looks on the card. Now on camera, it blows out a little bit because white always blows out on my iPhone. But I love how this pops without being colored. And Shannon said it reminded her of like a black and white movie. It's kind of cool. So I love her little ATC card. Now let me show you Shannon's because it is as cute as the ATC. Look at this little guy. So she did the little blue truck with the farm. I call this like a farm rail on there. And this one says, "Hope this card picks you right up." She hand cut out some little clouds and she did a bunch of stitching and some little ground there for her car, for her truck. And it's adorable. And one more sample. We had 4 this week because I had an extra. So you will have seen this box made. No, you would have seen a different color made, but I've already made this box for you in a video. And I took the front-facing car because I'm doing masculine projects this month, and I glued the car to the front, the "Let's Ride" and "In Car Years You're a Classic" to this little treat box so you can fill it with goodies for dad or brother or cousin or uncle or whoever. Or, I'm just going to tell you, it doesn't hurt me to get car projects because I am a car buff. Anyone who knows me will tell you I love cars. So there you go. There's the samples for this guy. And again, y'all are going to do amazing things that I don't even think about. But let me show you this too. See how the tow truck, the tow mechanism is on the back here, and then you see how this one is here? What we did was we gave you a nice, thick, solid line on the top of that truck. So when you stamp this, you'll have an easier time of matching that up. You can stamp it on that line, and you don't have to get it exactly perfect. You'll see that when you go to stamp it, it makes life much easier. All right, guys, that is Road Trip. It is perfect for your masculine cards this month. And of course, I'll be bringing you some projects using it. I cannot wait. Remember this too, every month we give away a $50 gift card to our store, and all you have to do to enter is make a project using this stamp set and post it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and you are entered. And there'll be a winner listed in the description from last month. I always film this before the contest is over, so the winner is in the description below, so be sure to check that. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.